Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to see and how to delete all your Facebook stories. And trust me, there's nothing complicated, and that's going to be a very quick tutorial. Just make sure you watch this video all the way till the end and follow the instructions. Actually the steps, yeah. So let's not waste any more of your time, let me show you how. First, when you're in your Facebook, just click on your profile picture, and as you can see I have a video as a profile picture. If you don't know how to do it, you can check it out in our channel. I made a video about that, you can watch it. So let's move on point how to do it. Just click on these three little dots here next to the blue button, add to story, and now we can find here a couple of settings like edit profile, archive, view as. Just click on activity log, and from here you can actually see all your activities that you've ever made, like the things you searched in Facebook, the posts you liked, and others. But we don't need that. Just click on filters here, click on categories, and now click on your post, and here we can find again some a couple of settings like photos and videos, a couple of things I mean like photos and videos, and your stories. We need your stories, right? So click on your stories, and yeah, actually if you have some stories, they will be appears here, and you can easily delete them. But as you can see, I don't have any stories. So let's imagine, that's how to find your stories. But if you want to delete them, just let's imagine this is our story. John Williams updated his profile video. Actually it will appear as the same format, and you can easily click on these three little dots and you can move it to recycle bin. But if you want to remove it and from the recycle bin, you can go in recycle bin and just click on check it on, and click on the recycle bin again, delete, and that's it. That was. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and don't be hesitate to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. And see you next video. Bye.